from Srkcycles.com. We got a 2004 Harley Davidson Fatboy, and it is a blistery, windy day. Look at those straps moving. Look at the trees winding. Winding isn't a word. And I'm here to find out, does riding a Fatboy with solid wheels blow you all over in the wind? I'm pretty confident it doesn't. There's a whole lot more mass to be getting hit on a bike like this or an Ultra than just the wheels. I mean, what is that, like 2 square feet? 2 square feet? I mean, there's no way it blows you over. Some guys are like, no, you don't ride a Fatboy in the wind, it'll blow you all over the place. I don't believe it. Let's find out. Bike's all nice and warmed up, although I am very cold because it is freezing outside. It's probably in the 30s. Ain't bad. It was in the 20s last week when I was riding the bikes, but I was trying to ride the Ultra Limiteds with the heated grips. Cool thing is, apparently you can put heated grips on any Harley. The wires just get ran along here, back to the battery, and the switch is right here. That's definitely, I mean, it's one of the best modifications you could do if you ride in the winter time, which I do, but I just freeze myself. Same thing with gear. Gear is super important. Get some good warm weather gear. I used to think that the best warm weather gear was all heated stuff, heated vests and heated jackets and stuff like that. But then I talked to a guy who, maybe he was lying to me, but he was an older guy, so you know, old guys don't lie. He was probably like 72 or something like that. He bought a Can-Am Spyder from me, and this guy is a big time snowmobiler. Loves snowmobiling, drives a Yamaha snowmobiler. And these snowmobiler guys out there, apparently Yamaha is the snowmobile company. That's it. There's only Yamaha. There's nothing else. And he was a big Yamaha guy. And so he was telling me, he's like, yeah, sometimes when we ride, it's the actual temperature is negative 50 degrees. I'm like, what the heck? Negative 50. I'm like freezing at like 45. And he says negative 50. And he's like, when you're rolling, going 60 miles an hour, with the wind chill, it feels like it's negative 150. And this, you know, negative 50 blows my mind away. I mean, we may have seen like 0 or maybe negative like single digits at one point in time in Pennsylvania in my life, and we all died. But negative 50, like you open up your mouth and all the saliva in your mouth just freezes and you're chewing on ice balls or something. But and I'm like, man, you must have some like really good heated gear. And he's like, nope, I just wear pretty much what I'm wearing right now. And he had just had like jeans and like a fleece. And he's like, and I wear my Climb jacket and overalls and, you know, some good gloves and stuff and heated helmet. And I'm like, Climb? He's like, yeah, it's K-L-I-M. I looked it up. He's like, yeah, don't cheap out. You got to get some good gear, you know, get the expensive stuff. I look it up. These jackets are like $200 to $1,200. And I was like, dang, he's got a $1,200 jacket. Apparently he doesn't, because when I talked to him the next day, he's like, oh yeah, I don't have a $1,200 jacket. He's like, I bought like the $350 one. And he said it's real thin. It's not even a big, thick, puffy jacket. It's a real thin jacket, and it just stops all the air from coming in. And he's like, that's all I need. I'm completely warm when I'm riding with this thing. I was blown away. I'm like, I gotta get some of that gear. Maybe I should contact Climb and be like, listen, get me some of that gear. I'll talk about it when I'm riding in the winter, and I'll do my videos. That'd be sick. I need to do that. They also have cool like motorcycle gear too. Man, I should look into that. That'd be pretty sick. All right, so it's windy. It's definitely a lot of wind going on. I haven't felt any big gusts. I haven't seen any cars like blown across the street or anything like that. But I'm riding a fatboy and I'm not dead. Look, one hand. I might be regretting riding with one hand if a big gust of wind throws me into the wall. But no, it's such a small area. And when you have spokes or any type of other wheel that has like little holes in it, like the newer fatboys, those little tiny holes, spinning at like whatever revolutions per minute they're spinning, no, there's no wind getting through that. Even a spoked wheel spinning that fast, I don't think wind is passing through it. Maybe I'm wrong. What a beautiful day it is. Looks like it's kind of gonna rain. Well, I'm not gonna say we can put this one to bed. That riding a fatboy does not kill you. But I didn't feel anything. It's definitely windy. I mean, I've ridden in wind. I think this is what it is. I've ridden in very, very windy conditions where just you got this crazy side wind, and it is like, whoa, you know what I mean? Oh shoot, you know, it's blowing you over. Maybe the guys who have the fatboys, they blame it on the wheels. I don't think it's a wheel thing. I think it's a you're riding in crazy wind thing. I've been there, it's scary. But it's not the bike, it's just, that's what it is. We've been in situations where like you're in a car and it pushes you over like to the next lane a little bit. That happens. Alright guys, I'm gonna ride this one back. We'll see you guys later. Hey, comment. Maybe you know some information that I don't know. Maybe you have been like blown off a bridge or something because of the wind, and all your buddies with non-solid wheels kept on going straight. I don't know. If you know, let me know. Comment below. I'd love to see what you have to say. All right, guys.